Hello students, myself Ramayan Yadav, and today I am going to teach you very important and interesting chapter which is integers. So let's get started. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to learn the basic concepts of integers, integer addition and subtraction, multiply positive integer by positive integer as well as negative integer, multiply negative integer by positive integer as well as negative integer, divide an integer by another integer, understand the basic properties of integers with respect to fundamental operations. So let's start your first module. Positive number. A number greater than 0 is known as positive number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are known as positive numbers. Negative number. A number less than 0 is known as negative number. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and so on are known as negative numbers. Opposite numbers. Numbers that are the same distance from 0 in opposite direction. Here examples: -3. What will be opposite number of -3? It's +3. Integers. All natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers are called integers. Thus, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are all integers. There are 3 types of integers: positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are positive integers. Negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. are known as negative integers. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Negative numbers are used to measure temperature. Negative number are used to measure under sea level. If you don't see a negative or positive sign in front of a number, so we always assume plus sign. 9. So here 9 has not any symbol, neither positive nor negative. So the number 9 is positive. Integer addition rule first. Sum of positive integers is always positive. 9 and 5. Here are 2 positive integers. Its sum will be positive. It will be equal to 14. Rule second. Sum of negative integers is always negative. Here are 2 negative numbers. So what will be its sum? Its sum will be equal to -14. Rule 3. When one positive and one negative integers are added, we take their difference and place the sign of bigger integer. bigger integer is decided by ignoring the sign of both integers. 9 plus minus 4 is equal to plus 5. Here are some examples. Minus 3 and minus 5. What will be its sum? Minus 8. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 3 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Integer subtraction rule. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive. Only change the signs and add. 2 minus minus 7 is the same as 2 plus plus 7 is equal to 9. Here are some points to remember. First, counting or natural numbers are positive integers. 0 is not a natural number. Natural numbers and 0 together termed as whole numbers. Integers include whole numbers as well as negative numbers. Welcome to module 2. Multiplication and division rules. There are two rules for multiplying and dividing integers. Rule first, when multiplying or dividing integers that have the same sign, the answer will be positive. Positive into positive is equal to positive. Negative into negative is equal to positive. Plus 7 is multiplied by plus 12 is equal to plus 84. Minus 6 is multiplied by minus 5 is equal to plus 30. Minus 15 is divided by minus 5 is equal to plus 3. Rule second, when multiplying or dividing integers whose signs are different, the answer will be always negative. Positive into positive is equal to negative. Negative into positive is equal to negative. Minus 8 is multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 32. Minus 5 is multiplied by plus 7 is equal to minus 35. Minus 15 is divided by 5 is equal to minus 3. Let's practice. What sign would be in front of the result? When minus 5 is multiplied by minus 7 is equal to plus 35. It's positive. Now minus 6 is multiplied by plus 9 is equal to, what sign will be? Negative and 54. Try this one. What sign will be in front of the answer? When minus 81 is divided by plus 9 is equal to minus 9, negative. Here are some important points to remember. When multiplying or dividing integers, same sign is equal to a positive and different sign is equal to a negative. Here are some important points to remember. We know that any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0 only. Second, if the two integers have like sign, then their product is always positive.